what you're afraid to start. You're trying to master the art. Your eyes begin to dart. You reach with sweaty hands, no longer steady hands. Just hope he understands that you didn't mean to hurt him like this. No, no.
Sound the alarm.
No, no.
Sound the alarm.
No, no.
Sound the alarm.
You never meant to hurt him like this. You tell him you don't feel his soul, you start to steal with the wounds you'll never heal. But you didn't mean to scar him so deep. There's a trigger in his head. His heart is feeling dead. He just wants to lie in bed, suffer and regret. He has felt enough. You told him kinda rough. He's trying to be tough, but sirens they go off. No, no.
Sound the alarm.
No, no.
Sound the alarm.
No, no.
Sound the alarm.
It's starting to sink in now. All his dreams just crashed and fell. There's nothing left to tell. He's stuck in his own hell. But it didn't have to end like this. No, no.
Sound the alarm.
No, no.
Sound the alarm.
No, no.
Sound the alarm.
You're going down now.